All right, folks, so this is weird. All right, so I guess we'll just have the flash on. All right, so Matthew, good to see you guys. Gonna make this short and sweet. I'm tired. It's a little bit, early in the morning. So last time we spoke, I have no idea what we talked about, but this is what we did tonight. So drive shaft dropped. It's out. Exhaust dropped. On the verge of being out. I did not plan ahead or just use my brain, but I'm gonna have to redo the positions where my jack stands are so that way I can pull out the exhaust, and I will most likely also be pulling out the rear differential as well. I'm sorry, I have to, sorry, whoops. I don't know if there's really a way I can jimmy it out there, but it doesn't seem like I can, so we're just gonna have to, roll with it. And then, yeah, exhaust, everything, I don't know if you can tell here, but it is sitting on the floor. It's resting on the differential. Obviously not ideal to have it, like that, but, the weight's supported, and more than likely I'm not keeping the thing or the exhaust, so whatever. But I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, so those are the action items that I've completed today. It was a pain in the butt to do so because everything's kind of rusted out, so this took way longer than your average bear would probably, but oh well. Anyways, so what was done today was a couple purchases. So I went to Harbor Freight, got myself another dolly. I don't know if you can tell over there, but right corner has the air compressors, or air compressor in the tank. And so I'm gonna be cleaning both tanks. I have bought myself the dolly because I want to be able to put another dolly and dolly here, so that way I can just, kind of do it like a rotisserie chicken. So that way all the solvent and crap that I'm gonna pour into there, cleans it. Then I'll do a pressure test after, and then make sure she can do what she needs to, and then I'll set up the whole system. I've been watching a couple videos, a couple creators that honestly couldn't tell you who their names were, but yeah, so be kind of taking inspiration from them because obviously we like moisture-free lines, and I also live in Arizona, so it's not like we're really anticipating that much. Anyway, so keeping things moving. It's a little early in the morning, folks. I should not be recording this, but whatever. You guys need to know. Anyway, so this whole place is a mess. I'm gonna clean it up tomorrow. Action item for tomorrow is to actually pull out the engine. I need to go and I think I said that already, but whatever. I'm just gonna say it again. O'Reilly's, get myself the thing that bolts the carburetor, pull that baby out. I'm probably gonna be taking out the engine as well. Transmission. So that's why I dropped out the drive shaft. Gonna get that baby out. What else? Honorable mentions. I just came back from a trip and I thrifted. Thrifting is new to me, so please take that with a grain of salt. But thrifted a Singer heavy duty. It's kind of like newer, I guess. I don't really know. Couldn't tell you, but I could give you guys. I could put the number or whatever in the description of what I got. Got it for $75. Great purchase. I'll be able to do the vinyl and leather or whatever. So I'll be able to do the upholstery myself, which is fantastic. So I've already been looking at the scrims and different whatever I need to purchase for it, and I just want to find a reputable brand, or if anything I'll just go straight to like one of the places in Phoenix and ask them a whole bunch of questions because there's like warehouses for it. But anyways, moving on. So got the motor of the air compressor over here, so be cleaning it up a little bit. Don't think there's anything else. It's time to go to bed, get some sleep. I'm gonna have some friends come over tomorrow and they're gonna help me with this, so yeah, I think that's it. Don't quote me. Yep, I think we're good, yeah. Alrighty, folks, so thank you for keeping up with us. Sorry for not being the most entertaining guy in the world, but hope you enjoyed it. Alrighty, so catch you guys on the next one.